first year at Les Roche, the students, they learn all the practical skills that they need for their internship, but also for the rest of their 3.5 years at Les Roche and for the future career. It's really important for the students to go through this practical part in order to identify themselves with their future employees. If you have never done a job, it's very hard to understand what actually your staff are going through. Compared to other hospitality schools, Les Roche exposes the students to a variety of different departments, may it be front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, including kitchen service, or wine and bar. Companies that take Les Roche Switzerland students for their internship see that the students can adapt and learn very fast. They don't only appreciate the practical skills and the technical skills, but also all the soft skills, which is so important in today's industry.